Hello, my name is Jessica, and I'm going to be working at Juvenile Probation City Unit in Seattle, Washington, or that's where I'll be doing my field. I'll be working remotely through January, which will be frustrating, but I've been doing case management at my job remotely since March, so I'm sort of used to it. I'm expecting to have a small caseload, hopefully 4 or 5 young people, and I'm expecting to be included in meetings pertaining to my clients and their cases, but also meetings pertaining to policy-related issues and changes, such as favoring diversion programs instead of punitive programs and jail time and whatnot. And I'm also expecting to learn a lot about the juvenile justice system. I'm most excited to be working with my youth and young people. They're why I'm here. So I'm most looking forward to seeing and meeting them via Zoom, probably. Um, Concerns, I would say I've never worked with juveniles before. Prior to this, I was working with 18 to 24-year-olds experiencing homelessness and incarceration. There's not a lot of resources for minors since they're not adults yet, so I think it'll be tricky connecting them to resources, especially housing. I'm also a little concerned working with their parents and including them in the decision-making process. I've never had to coordinate with parents before, so I'm a little concerned about that. My plan for managing my concern, I'll probably be leaning on my supervisor in my field work a lot in terms of how to deal with the parents and the families and manage their expectations and reality and the lawyer's expectations and what the kid can actually do and accomplish and what the child wants. So yeah, I'll probably lean on her for that kind of support and guidance. And then in terms of finding resources for young people that are under 18, I'll probably reach out to agencies and case managers that I'm connected to that specifically work with minors because those resources are totally different from the resources available to young adults. So yeah, looking forward to working with all of you, and I will see you guys later.